Hello friends, in this video we will study chapter 4 from unit 2, that is 2.4 story time. Unity is strength. Taken from class 2 subject English BALBHARTI. Let's start. Listen, repeat and enact. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. One day he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into two. It's so easy, said the elder son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other, and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. This time the brothers learnt a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them, as you can see in the picture. Friends, our chapter is complete. Now let's do the question answers. A. Answer the following. Question 1. Why was the old man worried? Answer. The old man was worried because his sons were always quarreling with each other and never agree on any point. Question 2. What happened when the sons tried to break the bundle of the sticks? Answer. When the sons tried to break the bundle of sticks, it remained unbroken. Question 3. What happened with the single sticks? Answer. The single sticks broke easily. Question 4. What lesson did the sons learn? Answer. The sons learnt that if they work together as a team, it would really help them. Friends, we have completed all these question answers, question 1 to 4. B. Arrange the following words in a proper order to make a meaningful sentence. First, worried man was old. The answer, the old man was worried. Second, everything for fight they would. Answer, they would fight for everything. Third, sticks of the bundle did break not. Answer, the bundle of sticks did not break. Fourth, easily broken stick a single is. Answer, a single stick is easily broken. Fifth, stand, divided, fall, united, we. Answer, united we stand, divided we fall. C. Find the small words hidden in the big word. Like first, everything, we have every, thin, very, thing. Second, friendship, we have friends and ship, hip. Third, separated, we have tar, rat, eight, deep. Fourth, together, we have to, get, her, the. D. Read the following sentences. Change the colored words with new words to form a new sentence. Like first, the old man was worried. So we changed old man and worried, and answer becomes the young woman was happy. Similarly, second, he took the bundle and tried to break it. So we have to change he, bundle and break. So answer is she took the book and tried to read it. Third, an old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. We have to change man, sons and village. So answer is an old farmer lived with his 4 cows in a farm. Fourth, this time the brothers learnt a lesson. So we have to change brothers and lesson. So we have answer, this time the children learnt a poem. Fifth, he gave them small sticks. We have to change he, small and sticks. So answer becomes, she gave them few apples. E. Write the words that tell us something about the words at the center. Man, old, fat, short, good, rich. Second tree, mango, long, banyan, coconut, big. Third flower, rose, white, beautiful, champa, pink. Look and say, worried, quarreling, angry, bundle, sticks, surprised, unbroken, impossible, united, friendship. Friends, our chapter is complete. Thank you for watching.